Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius Fire Sign. This is November weekly reading from November 16 to November 22nd. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Sagittarius Fire Sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? So under the deck, 7 of Cups, Page of Cups, 6 of Cups, Page of Pentacles and Devil. Sagittarius, you are stuck on something or you have some fears regarding your life or regarding your relationship here. Yeah. This is very dark energy, Sagittarius. And Page of Pentacles with Page of Cups. Definitely communication is coming in your way. Someone wants to communicate with you. If you, for some, an apology is coming in your way and you are thinking about someone or something a lot. 6 of Cups is here. So maybe you both have strong past life connection with each other. And 7 of Cups. Maybe for some you have options and for some you still are in some confusion here. So let's see our reading. Recent past, the Hierophant, 3 of Swords and 10 of Wands. Lots of you are in separation in recent past due to commitment issues or marriage involved in this relationship. Definitely marriage or stability issues between you and your person. And you only the person always investing in this relationship. Your person is always in and out of your life, Sagittarius. Then present Ace of Cups, 10 of Pentacles and the World. So you started taking care of yourself. You are loving yourself. You are doing self-love here and you started focusing on your money, 10 of Pentacles. I think you right now focusing on your money, creating more money here, and some cycles are already ended between you and your person. There are some new beginnings in your life, Sagittarius, according to, especially in career. There are new beginnings, new opportunities for you. Then future, King of Pentacles, Judgment and 9 of Swords. Yes, you are focusing on your money. You are creating more money and for some, maybe you decided to move on from this person, but you still having their thoughts, a lot of overthinking, and sometimes you are feeling in anxiety and depression energy here. They are still on your mind here. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So Sagittarius, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. Under the deck, King of Swords. Definitely this person is being cold with you and this person is stubborn. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Let's see their intentions also. Maybe you're dealing with Pisces here. Okay. Maybe you're dealing with Taurus. Under the deck, Princess of Cups, Judgment, Nine of Pentacles and Ten of Pentacles. This time your person want to make some decision regarding this relationship. Definitely they're thinking about stability with you and they really want to work on this relationship, but they know there are some issues in this relationship. And Princess of Cups, they do love you or they want to offer apology to you because they did hurt you in recent past. They broke your heart. So their current feelings, Knight of Swords, Princess of Swords and Knight of Pentacles. So they are spying you. They are watching you on social media and they want to communicate with you here. Knight of Swords, they are rushing to communicate with you. And Knight of Pentacles, this time your person is serious about you. Yeah, they're coming to you very slowly but surely because Knight of Pentacles is here. And their intentions, Justice, the Moon and Hierophant. So they want second chances. But there are some obstacles in this relationship and they really want to offer commitment here because the Hierophant is here. Maybe for some third party involved in this relationship, marriage. Definitely marriage is involved here. So they want second chance. Definitely they have regrets for what they did to you because in recent past you gone through a lot. So that's why they want second chances and apology is coming. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. Yes, Seven of Swords. They played games with you, but now they realize their mistake. Now they want to offer their cup of love to you. Definitely they are realizing you both here. They are in suffering in silence. Under the deck, Five of Cups. They are feeling sad right now. Yeah, they're stuck on you. You also spying on them on social media. Don't say no. You are spying. And the Star, I think you also want some positive growth in this relationship. You also wishing and hoping for this connection. Maybe you're dealing with Aquarius here. And at the same time, you were focusing on your money, on your career here. You are working hard to achieve your goals here, Sagittarius. You are very determined towards your work. And you are going through some transformation, also some awakening. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. Seven of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles. Yes, they're waiting on you or you are waiting on them. There is some juggling here. There are some issues involved here. Still, there are some trust issues. But the Sun. But you are focusing on your own happiness. You are searching for your happiness within yourself. Yes, you are going with the flow, living in the present moment. You are taking leap of faith, Sagittarius. Yeah, you are emotionally holding back here. But they are waiting on you. There are some trust issues here. Definitely this connection is juggling right now, but they are going to communicate with you. Then it will depends on your situation. So let's see some messages from your person in through the channel, Sagittarius. I'm just not ready yet. I want you back and healing. I'm just not ready yet. I want you back and healing are the messages. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. Bring love into the situation. New moon in Aquarius. Maybe you're dealing with Aquarius here. And surrender to the divine full moon. So if you're not getting solutions for your problems, just surrender problems to the divine, and under the deck adjustments are required. So even though for some after reconciliation there will be some adjustments are required. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.